Shouldn't I get a little closer up?
No.
Oh, you don't want jumping shots? Here I come.
Yep.
Put the camera down. Go in through this door thing. Okay. The mysterious trampoline dog. So.
Lick its butt. Roll over. Be a spaz. Well, $10.99 per person.
Only $10.99 per minute. Also great for pools, jungle gyms, swing sets,
and of course, submarines.
and let's not forget high tide. Jumping shots of the dancing of the
Hoover.
dog who's going to be famous.
Of the Hoover.
Just like one of the videos that you want to put on YouTube.
Yeah.
You know, on the rare occasions where this happens and you're gonna get 1 million views.
Actually, not 1 million, but 2 billion.
Over 9,000 viewers.
Over 90.
Hopefully, over 9 viewers.
All of our videos have over 9 viewers.
Not all of them. Not all of mine.
Well, yeah, 'cause yours are really recent. I haven't posted some in a while.
I've got like 30 videos and
I have 5.